it every single day. A dog sat in the same spot, rain or shine, hot or cold. It didn't move far. People passed by, thinking it was just a stray. But it wasn't waiting for food. It was waiting for someone. Because once, this place wasn't empty. It was home. Days turned into weeks. Weeks turned into months. But the dog never stopped coming back. And then, one day, footsteps stopped. The dog looked up. Same eyes, same heartbeat. No words, no explanation. Just a tail that finally stopped waiting and started wagging. Some loyalty never forgets, even when the world does.